one thing that I wanted to show you guys.
Hey, ready? Tell the girl them. Hey, drop that bumper down. Make it check the ground. Show them where you from. Fling it for a man. My girl, drop that bumper down. Make it check the ground. Show them.
One thing that I wanted to show you guys. Look. Isn't this cute? It's a bracelet flask, or a flask bracelet, and I bought it in Home Goods. It was on sale for $5. And you know, you guys know that I make my drinks and stuff. The link to my blog will be in the description box. So I make drinks and stuff, and I go out and I drink. This is actually so nifty. Like, it's cool. It's a bracelet flask. You twist this off and you just pour your drink in there, twist it back on, and you're good to go. You could just pop up in places. People think it's a bracelet. You just go to the side and you just real quickly. In the bathroom, in the corner. You know, you could just be talking with your friends, or just when you're meeting people, or you know, maybe you at work a little, just need a relief, you know. Don't drink at work, I'm sorry. Don't drink at work. But anyway, I like the idea of this. This is really good for probably like concerts and parties and festivals, and you just have your liquor with you. But yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and you'll be seeing more of my little baby here, little Toby. He's always looking. But yes, thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey, drop that bumper down. Make it check the